Today we're going to learn how to check Snapchat account password, and all you have to do is to tap or launch the Snapchat application. You want to tap on your profile, and then you're going to tap on your gear icon, and from there you're going to get your password, which usually isn't far. It's just going to be below the Snapchat Plus that you're going to tap on your password. From there, in the case that you did log in, it is going to autofill your password. But in the case that you did not log in, like me, for example, and you do remember your password, you're just going to put, and you're going to be able to log in. Like case that you do not remember, in order for you to actually see or locate where you can find your password, you can just try by heading over through your Chrome browser. Then you're going to tap on the three dots, and then you're going to tap on settings. From there, you're going to tap on Google Password Manager, and from here you're going to search for your Snapchat application. Once you found it, you're going to see the password that you have put all that your Snapchat application password requires in order for you to log in. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.